Hi, Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. If you're new to the channel, welcome. So today we're going to build in the bunkhouse the ladders and the safety railings. Well, it's kind of a combination of the two, in our 2009 Dutchman travel trailer. So we're also going to build curtain rods on all 4 of the windows in the bunkhouse of our camper. Today we're also going to trim a little bit where the 2 walls with the wallpaper meet.
So what size brad nail or brads do you have in there, Brad?
I forgot.
We also had a couple of visits from our grandkids. I'm sorry for these vertical clips, guys. Just in about a half a minute, it's going to flip back to horizontal. We spent right around $25 for these pine 2x2s, the screws, and the Gorilla Glue. We made the ladder on the left side, which has the bigger bunk beds, wider.
Ready?
And it also has a lid going down to the floor to accommodate an adult going up it. We're all finished with the remodel of our RV, and I'll put a playlist in the description box if you're interested in watching that. We sanded the corners on the tops of these pine 2x2s.
Whoop, too much.
And I think we're going to sand the rest of them that kind of stick out there on the front, because I noticed when we have all the grandkids back in the bunkhouse, it's a small space and tight, and they tend to kind of bang into things. I'm afraid somebody's going to get hurt.
Wipe up the glue here a little bit. Definitely made for kid. Ouch. We might need, do we need the level? I don't know.
No, because you're just going to put it up on the ceiling.
Okay.
Make and do with what we have. Probably cut that in 2. It's a lot. Using our dish drainer as a tray to bring out, serving tray, and then we've got this. We're good to go. Let's see.
Looks good. Thanks, babe.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna start up here.
All right. So what size brad nail or brads do you have in there, Brad?
I forgot.
1 inch, I'm guessing.
I think they're 1 inch.
All right.
The shortest ones I had. Let's put it that way.
Okay. All right, we're ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me try to scooch in here. Okay. Ooh. Nice. We only need a few of them, right?
I think. I hope. 3rd one's a charm. Mm-hmm. Wait, that's the 4th.
4th one's a charm.
Yeah. Might have to. I don't know how this will work upside down. Let's give it a shot.
For right around $8, we purchased these PVC trim pieces at the Home Depot in 12-foot lengths. The Home Depot even has a place in the aisle with miter cuts and saws where you can cut the trim right there if you have your measurements.
So I think what happened when we installed this wallpaper, because it's meant to be vertical, but we put it on horizontal, we stretched it. So you can see where it's coming off the wall here. You know, like here. So we're just going to cut this. We don't have an X-Acto knife here. We're camping.
So if you would have put it on in 2 pieces, you know, like the back wall and the side wall, we probably wouldn't have had that, right?
Correct.
Okay. Correctamundo.
Am I in the corner?
I'm going to say yeah.
Yeah. Once we get down here, not as important, I suppose. Oh, I don't think it ripped. Didn't go through. Oh, wait.
This corner?
I hope so. That's the wrong. No, it's the right side. It's the right part of the knife. It's hard to tell with a knife. Well, let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see, it's already moving. Oh yeah. Okay, this side goes on real good.
Good, because that's the side.
Yeah, this
Back
side stretched.
A little
We must have
stretchy.
stretched it. No,
Yeah.
we must have pushed it this way too far.
I think
right?
you're right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so then you're just going to put the little trim piece up. What is it, a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch by 1 inch, I think?
Yeah, something like that. And what I love is the color is all the way through. So if you nick it, scratch it, nail it, it stays white.
What was that game the kids had? Bop it, move it, stretch it.
No.
There you go.
This way, right?
Yeah, oh my gosh. Look at that, Brad. Just covers it right up.
Yeah. Yeah. Worked out pretty good.
Super good. Perfect. Oh, it looks great. Oh my goodness, Brad. I'm just super happy.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
My pleasure. Pleasure. Now's the fun part, getting down. Oh my goodness. Hey, I'll use the ladder. 30.5, because I'm going to have it just like 30.5. That's the sharp end. Okay.
All right. Oops. Sorry. Curtain I just hemmed. Good. It's perfect.
We're at Lake Kegonsa State Campground, and we had a couple of visits from the grandkids while we were here building this in the bunkhouse. And 3 of the grandkids, you know, they spend hours just throwing sticks in the fire and playing with the fire. And it's so great because there's no media around, there's not a lot of distractions, so they're very creative. And you'll see them here pretending they're old people and just the random funny things that they would say. So it was a lot of fun.
Careful with that, honey.
And we also had a special visit from our little grandson AW, and he is such an explorer. It is so fun to go on a walk with him. A 5-minute walk is a 30-minute walk. You know, passing the trees, he'll touch the bark, he'll look at the ants, he'll look up in the sky and see the bird. He's our little explorer. And so it was just a real joy to have him along as well. Nice. Oh, it's a nice rock.
Okay.
Can we open?
Yeah, you can open.
So guys, we've been remodeling this camper for the last 3 years, and the bunkhouse is the last leg of that remodel, and it's all done. So after this video, we're hoping to have a reveal video for you. I'm sorry we didn't have that last year, but really it is completed, and it looks so bright and beautiful. And so thanks for watching our video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Bye now.